The tech world is currently standing on the edge of a massive shift. And at the center of this storm is a device that many thought had reached its peak, yet Apple is about to prove everyone wrong with the unveiling of the iPad 12th generation. If you think this is just another incremental update with a slightly faster chip and a new coat of paint, you are in for a shock because the leaks coming out of Cupertino suggest a total, fundamental redesign of what the entry-level iPad is supposed to be. For years, we have seen the Pro and Air models get all the glory, but 2026 marks the year the standard iPad finally catches up, bridging the gap in a way that makes you wonder why anyone would spend double the money on a higher-tier model. The rumors point toward a stunning new ultra-thin bezel display that borrows heavily from the tandem OLED technology we saw debut in the high-end lineups, bringing deep blacks and vibrant colors to the hands of everyday students and professionals. Under the hood, we're looking at the integration of a specialized A-series silicon optimized specifically for the next generation of Apple Intelligence, ensuring that this device isn't just a tablet, but a fully functioning AI workstation that fits in your backpack. Imagine a world where your tablet predicts your workflow, automates your most tedious tasks, and maintains a battery life that spans multiple days of heavy use without breaking a sweat. We are talking about a move toward a universal USB-C architecture with significantly higher data transfer speeds, finally allowing for professional-grade external storage and display support that was once locked behind the Pro wall. The design language is shifting toward a more industrial, sleek aesthetic with a new range of finishes that scream premium, ditching the budget feel of previous iterations. But the real kicker, the piece of information that has industry insiders losing their minds, is the price point. Apple is reportedly aiming to keep this revolutionary tech accessible, creating a value proposition that could effectively cannibalize their own mid-range market. This isn't just a gadget. It is a statement that the future of computing doesn't have to be expensive to be elite. As we approach the official launch, the excitement is reaching a fever pitch because the iPad 12 is set to redefine the tablet landscape for the next decade, making it the most anticipated release of the year for anyone who values power, portability, and pure innovation. Every single leak suggests that the era of the basic iPad is over, and the era of the everything iPad has begun, leaving competitors scrambling to find an answer to a device that seems to have no flaws. If you have been waiting to upgrade, this is the moment you've been holding out for, as the leap from the previous generation to the 12th is expected to be the largest in the history of the product line. From the enhanced camera systems that utilize spatial capture for the latest headset ecosystems to the refined Apple Pencil integration that feels more like ink on paper than ever before, the iPad 12th Gen is a masterclass in engineering. It is the culmination of years of feedback and refined technology, packed into a chassis that feels like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. Stay tuned as we dive even deeper into the supply chain secrets that confirm these features are not just whispers, but the new reality of Apple's hardware dominance.